Here's my campsite, folks. It is beautiful. That's Indian Creek Lake. Got a chair and a table. I'm gonna sleep in the back of the car so I don't have to set up a tent. It's not gonna rain, so I don't need a tarp. I love it. The water has turned glass smooth. It is beautiful out here. So peaceful. I was here a few weeks ago camping, and during the night some severe storms blew through. Well, the next morning the winds were so strong it blew the tarp off my 4Runner, so I was struggling to get everything put up and get out of here, and I heard something, and it was perhaps this tree. And if it had fallen a little bit more toward this way, it probably would have fallen on me. Extremely simple cuisine tonight, my friends. Just hot dogs, a few condiments, baked beans, and potato salad. That should do it. We're just gonna wait for coals now. It's pretty dark right now. It always reminds me of the movie Deliverance, where, what's his name? I can't think of the name of the actor. He says, "Night has fallen and there's nothing we could do about it. There's nothing I could do about this until about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be dark." Hot dogs are already pre-cooked. I don't need to cook them, I just need them warm. Mission accomplished. Well, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful, cool morning. A lot better than it was when I got here yesterday. I wasn't able to film yesterday. There was so much boat traffic and people talking and music being played. My goodness, it was so loud. I'm sure I would have gotten a copyright strike. Anyway, it's different this morning. I must sit out and enjoy this. Must have had some visitor last night come in and take a look at the trash. Bread bags out, also a bag that had a muffin in it. But they didn't tear up that much Beautiful, beautiful morning. And what I love is there ain't hardly anything to take down when you sleep in your rig. Just the chair, table, Yeti, and I'm ready to go. Sitting in my chair for a moment. I wish I had a view like this from my recliner. Got a gator swimming by. You see his head up at the top left of the screen. Not a big one. It's pretty, the glimmer of light from the water. Didn't take long for the boat traffic to start. I've got camp cleaned up. I'm gonna head out. It's already starting to warm up. The humidity's terrible. Fire's out. Campground's picked up. I can't say enough for being done with picking up camp in 5 minutes. Well, we're out of here. Won't be the last time I come back to this spot. I just love this spot. One thing I like is most people are not going to come down here without a four-wheel drive. You can't see the incline here, but if it's damp, you're going to spin. Probably even going to spin with it dry like this. Felt a little slip, and that's dry. It's gonna have to go in four-wheel drive to get out of here. There we go. Love a four-wheel drive. You never know when you're going to need it.